Welcome to Broke Daddy. Today is September 25th, 2020. We are actually looking at our Webull account. So in our Webull account, we took a nice hit across the board. So our biggest loser was Green Power Motors. We sold half of the position and we bought more into Blue Cora. We think Blue Cora is going to do a lot better for us than Green Power Motors. And then we sold the rest. We sold another half of it, half of what was left, and we bought VBI vaccines. We're pretty bullish on that. Santander Bank, we're not really too picky on that one. And then we have UAVS. UAVS, we've been taking a nice haircut on that. We are still very bullish long term. And actually, in our Fidelity account, we wind up buying more. That might be one we add to each month. We're very bullish on UAVS, especially if they're partner up with Amazon. So that one might take a few years to pan out. So we'll spend $100 a month to just keep accumulating that. $75, $100. Hopefully we can get it for $50. At some point, we do think it's going to take off. Okay, so our newest edition, we're trying to get ready for the future here. And something I've been trying to learn for a while. So this is part of the trading journal. We are starting to get into options. So I figured the first few times of doing options, we probably won't make any money. So I'm not even counting on it. I'm just doing it as a learning experience because it's hard for somebody to actually teach you options unless you're going to pay them a lot of money. So here we are learning what we can when we can. A lot of times that's the best way to learn. Make your mistakes. And then whatever help you need from there, you can correct that by dealing with the professionals. Anyway, VALE. We like VALE. We tried to pick some cheap options. So we're going to go with calls for now, meaning that we expect the market to go up. So the price, we'll go over the details here in a minute, but basically for this option, it expires March 19th, 2021. It's a call option. We bought it for 4 cents a piece. So the contract is for 100. So that's $4. So this whole contract is for $4. Worst comes to worst, we'll lose $4. I mean, that ain't much to lose in an effort to learn. In a minute, we'll take a look at and we will see how the price of VALE went up maybe like 0.5%, 1%. So the price of the stock went up maybe 1%, but our position is already up 12.5%. So that's one of the reasons why we like options. And we're pretty curious on trying to learn how to master them. Okay, so this is how VALE did yesterday. It was up 0.5%. So the stock was up 0.5%. Our option that we bought for 4 cents, it gained 0.5 cent. You might as well say 0.5%. So now our option is worth 12.5% more than what we paid for it. Yesterday was the first day of the option. It doesn't expire until March 19, 2021. So, actually that's weekly. The daily chart. What we like about VALE is it hit its $100-day moving average, and it closed above it. So as long as it stays above that, we want it to get above this 20-day moving average, this 10, 20, and 50. If it can get above that, It'll be about in the $12 range, and that's when we really plan on getting out of it. So by the time it gets to $12, that'll be what, another $1.30. That means we might have already doubled up on our position by then. Let's actually look at the options, just so we can keep your track. Let's see, March 19, 2021. It is a $20 call. You see the price now is $10.70. It's a $20 call. So last is 5, the mid is 5. So we're looking at the bid, the ask, so the bid is what we can buy it for. No, the bid is what we can sell it for. No, the bid is what other people want to buy it for. The bid is what everybody else wants to buy it for. The ask is the least amount I will be willing to sell it for. And the mid is where we try to buy and sell at, right in the middle. So since I bought it for $4, I bought it for 4 cents. I can now try to sell it for 5 cents. Implied volatility is 44%, which is pretty good. Delta is 0.0238. The gamma is 0.0169. It's going to change as the price goes up or down. Thank you for watching. Enjoy.